Today was kind of a fascinating day, guys. We've had this crazy flatlining market with sort of a sell posture over the last couple of weeks, sort of feeling like you're inching lower, but decoupling all of the normal trades. We talked about it last week. Apparently, Asia overnight was much lower. Dollar was stronger, sent crude into a bit of a free fall, along with word that the second largest oil-producing country in the world, Iraq, is going to boost their production by 5%. Oil closed. Oil started. Whoa, a little stuttering man. Oil started trading lower. Oil closed down at $1.62, $1.47 on the Brent, and that took the market with it. We sort of opened down. We rallied back. These little sort of dead cat bounces, basically maybe money being put to work. I don't really know what they were, but we saw these 40 or 50 point moves 2 or 3 times during the day. You can't see the graph, but we opened down, sold off another 50, rallied back 80, sold off 50, rallied back 80 all afternoon. Oil was off, gold was off, Asia off, and then we had this decoupling from the European markets, which tended to rally. So it was one of these odd days. It is still sort of summertime. I mean, we had some reasonable volume here in New York around 1:30 in the afternoon. Markets really popped. We came out with a large buy program for the closing bell. I think the normal 2 o'clock dissemination of information happened maybe a little bit earlier, because at 1:30, market spiked up about 70 points from its lows and proceeded to flatline the rest of the afternoon. Nothing really particularly interesting. It feels like we've got shifting in funds, maybe coming in the end of August, money going from one place to another. I cannot really make heads or tails of what's going on. We're just seeing, as every day the focus of the market is sort of spiraling around what's going to happen with oil-producing countries as far as a freeze goes or an increase in production. What's going to happen with the Fed? What is the condition of our economy? Are we on track for the Fed to be satisfied that we're in good enough shape to do a interest rate raise in September or postpone it till December? We're done with earnings for the moment. Where's this market going to go? We're not seeing major profit taking. We're not seeing major sell-offs, even with posturing on the sell side with oil and gold coming in. We're not seeing our normal coupling of the markets at all. So I think we're going to churn in murky waters here for a couple of days until something rises to the top, whether it's chatter about the Fed, whether it's directionality in oil or whatnot. We're churning murky waters. We're in a kayak. We're going down a drain. We're really not sure where we're going. It's not worth that much concern. From a day trading point of view, market's been cooperative to me. There have been some little moves. They've been short-lived. Market's been churning and burning on a flat line. Upper levels of the market. We closed at 18,529. Down 25 points. How bad is that? We're right off the highs of all time. The Russell was up. Small caps rallied. S&P was down a little bit. Nothing that interesting. I'm not going to read that much into it. It's Monday. I'm going home to make myself a little bit of dinner. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.